Soni Patnaik from JM Financial Services is now with us on the show. Soni, have we run up too much, too fast, or do you think, there is still upside left in the market? And what is the advice by way of a Nifty or a Nifty bank trade first?
Hi, good morning, Rima. Thank you so much for having me on the show. I think it's quite strong the way we've seen the short covering coming in for Nifty. The put writers are, increasing their base anywhere between 23,300 to 23,500. So Nifty, I think it's still heading towards 23,700 to 23,800 range. Maybe from those range, we can see some profit booking this week. But the advice would be to buy on dips in Nifty towards 23,550 to 23,500 in spot level. So I think that range is an ideal range to accumulate and initiate longs, keeping a stop loss of 23,400 and a target of 23,700 to 23,800 can be seen. Most likely for this week, this is the expiry range that we can see between 23,400 to 23,800. Similarly, for Bank Nifty, I think it's heading towards a 52,000 mark. So Bank Nifty also looks quite strong. It is holding on to very strong support of 51,400 for intraday. I think put writers are basing themselves at 51,000 and 51,000 put option. Bank Nifty also remains a buy for targets of 52,000 plus levels for this week expiry.
Thank you so much for your views on the indices. Soni, individual stocks, any picks for today?
Hi, good morning, Vivek. So both the buy picks would be on the buy side. The first is from the auto space for Tata Motors, which is seeing a very good consolidation and ready for its up move. So one can buy Tata Motors at current levels, keeping a positional stop loss of 674. The stock has given a good breakout. The first target is 740. Sustaining above that, you can see second targets of 760. The second buy pick is in financial space, which is Chola Finance, which has given a very fresh breakout on daily charts today. So one can buy Chola Finance at current levels, keeping a stop loss of 1530 and a positional targets of 1650 to 1680 can be seen.
Thank you very much for that. Nifty Auto is one of those few indices not participating in the up move today. The Nifty Auto is absolutely flat, and what's